In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to use Twilio. With Twilio, you can tap into the immense potential of SMS and WhatsApp to connect with your audience in a more personal and immediate way. Gone are the days of relying solely on traditional marketing channels such as emails. Firstly, you need to create an account on Twilio. Head over to twilio.com and click Get Started for free. Enter your information and then click on Start Your Free Trial. Check your inbox to verify your account. Enter your phone number for two-factor verification and click Send Verification Code and then enter it when it arrives. Select a relevant Twilio product from the drop-down menu or choose I haven't decided yet. Specify what you want to do with Twilio and choose how you want to build with Twilio. Use code, minimal code, or use no code at all. Follow the quick tutorial to understand the different functions of the dashboard by clicking Next through each step. From the sidebar on the left, click Messaging. Click Try it out and then send an SMS. Click Get Twilio number to generate a phone number. Enter recipient's phone number in the To field and select your Twilio number in the From field. Type your message in the body box and then click Send Test SMS. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.